Welcome to Wise, the all-in-one tutor management software that makes one-on-one and group sessions simple and stress-free. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to set up your modern, professional store page. First, head over to the navigation bar on your left, click Store, and tap Let's Get Started. You'll see a preview of your public store page. Tap Add Course to Sell, and you'll see two choices. Create a brand new one-to-one course, or pick from your existing courses. For this demo, we'll go with a new one-to-one course. Here's where you set the foundation. Give your course a title, write a short description, upload a cover photo, and tap Next. This section helps potential customers understand your course offering. In the next step, assign the tutors who will be teaching this course. You can add one or multiple tutors, giving students or parents the flexibility to choose. Be sure to complete each tutor's profile with details like skills, expertise, and performance metrics to make the page look professional and appealing. You can do this easily by tapping Edit. You'll see all the fields you can customize. Upload a cover photo, add a tagline, and set tags. To showcase credibility, you can also add details such as ratings, total hours taught, and the number of students the tutor has worked with. You can even embed a YouTube video to make the profile stand out. In the About section, write a detailed introduction, and under Reviews, display feedback from past students. All of this combines to create a professional, trustworthy profile that parents and students will love. Once saved, this information will appear on the public course page, helping parents and students make informed choices while also building trust in your tutors. To showcase course reviews from past students and parents, just click Add Reviews, add a name, rating, and comment, and they'll appear right on your course page. Next, highlight what makes your course unique. You can add up to 3 key highlights. After that, set the standard session duration and add a cancellation policy, so expectations are clear for both tutors and students. Now let's move to payment options. You can sell your course with a one-time payment or a recurring plan. For one-time packages, simply assign the number of sessions or credits included. For recurring plans, once the initial credits are used up, new invoices are generated automatically. You can even add a grace period, which allows students to keep access to course material for a set number of days past the invoice due date. If the invoice remains unpaid after the grace period, student access to the portal will end. The final step is setting up the purchase flow. You have 2 options. Either the admin assigns tutors and schedules sessions after purchase, or clients can choose their tutors and book sessions before checkout. Select the option that works best, tap Next, and your course goes live. For customers, the flow is seamless. Once they select a payment option, they'll choose a time slot with their preferred tutor based on availability. They can even book recurring sessions to hold their spot indefinitely. After completing payment, the new course appears under the one-to-one courses section, and both the admin and tutors are notified instantly. Launch your professional store page today, streamline onboarding, and let your tutoring business grow with Wise.